Steven heard you was out here riding the bicycle. He come running out the back door.
You gonna do a video or a picture?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. Get on there.
Oh, come on, Anna.
Come on, it won't hurt you. It only fell on me because I was trying to pop a wheelie. Turn wide when you get down there, man. Who's steering? He is.
Jason.
You can't steer from the back. On the back, you just stuck.
Yeah.
Brandon looks like she's gonna fall off every time she pedals. It's like driving a truck. Uh-oh, he's trying to go fast now.